Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Lamborghini Huracan Sterrato, and this is by a brand called Sparky. So this is, this is my first car with this brand. I heard about this brand a lot. I mean, this is kind of similar to Mini GT and all, as you can see here. Okay, but this is my first model personally. Okay, let's unbox this one and see how this one actually looks. So I bought this from one of the guys in Facebook. So I honestly forgot that I pre-ordered this with him. So he suddenly texted me one day stating that your pre-order has arrived. So honestly, I'm really happy that I bought on Sterrato. Okay, here is the Lamborghini logo. Okay, let's open it. So as I already said on this initial video, so this has two versions. I bought one version here. I think I don't know about the another one, but it doesn't have the tire on the top. So nothing else in the box. Let's keep it aside. Okay, I really like the way they package this car because if you take Mini GT or any other brand, like it comes in this kind of packaging, it will be like the one side packaging, another side will be open, but this one is fully covered, which is really nice. So let me just try to open it. Okay, here it is. So they have some kind of plastic sheet here. Okay, just keep this here because I am going to repack it anyways. I'm not going to keep it outside, specifically these castings which are really nice. Let me just put this inside. Okay, so here it is, guys. Here is the casting. Okay, the first impression, okay, this looks so beautiful, and so this entire thing is made of metal, the body and chassis, everything is made of metal. And my nitpick here on this particular casting is, okay, so the headlights are actually, okay, let me just see once in my eye view. It does look painted. I don't know if they put some acrylic unpainted on top of that, or they just painted it. But it looks a bit different compared to the normal Hot Wheels one and everything. Yeah, it does have some kind of acrylic, yeah, and they painted on top of it. You can see it in this one. Yeah. Okay, that's good then. Okay, rear view mirrors. It is really nice, and it has some paint job on it for the reflect, just to look like a mirror. So you can see here. This is really nice, and okay, I don't think I can remove the tire from the top. The interior looks really nice. Let me just try to put some light here. Okay, let's look at the tail lights. The logo looks really nice, and okay, the tail lights are actually painted here. There is some excess details here, and it does look really nice. It is heavy. It's fully metal. Okay, let's see. Okay, the tires are actually rubber. It does roll, but it is not going to roll like Hot Wheels or anything. But it does roll, which is really nice. Okay, there is no suspension or anything. It does roll. Okay, to be very honest with you guys, I'm not going to test this on track because you can see it here itself. Both wheels wobble a lot, and you can see that is not good. So I agree this is supposed to be a stationary model, but I always do a roll test because the wheels actually rolls, right? So these are supposed to be LED lights. So they painted it out, but I mean, for 1,500 or something, that's that much they can do, I guess. But overall, this is a really beautiful casting, and the color is really nice. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.